Look what my cat caught. Predator. Poor thing. Still alive though. Just gonna try flap here in a second. Oh, BB, you're so mean. It's gotta be dead now. No, it's still alive, I think. No, it's still alive.
Are you recording it eating it?
Poor thing is just trying not to. It's alone! You're alone! Run! Run, bird! Run! You're alone!
Are you alive still?
Get out of there! You're alive!
Oh no!
Oh, fuck, she came back. You poor thing, you're just scared. Getting attacked. Run! Run!
You should put it on face on YouTube.
Run away! You're alive still! Run!
Push him.
Go! Go!
Fly.
Fly away! Do you get out of your way? Go! Go! Ah! No!
Get her, BB.
BB, you little bitch! Oh my god.
Get her, BB.
Just finish her off!
Just playing with it.
Just finish it off, you mean thing. Look at that, it's hiding underneath her.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what to do.
She's young, she doesn't know how to kill it. So
Fly away, fly!
Show me the video after it.
Okay. Fly! Fly!
It's still alive, man.
Fly! Get out of here! Oh my god, you poor thing. BB, you're a monster! You're a monster, BB. Oh, you poor thing. Get out of here. Go on, try fly. No! She's back for more. Aw. See what happens after.